Imagine a Christmas where Santa swaps his sleigh for a campsite, and together with his reindeer he enjoys a cosy night roasting marshmallows. That's exactly what you get with this incredible camping Santa and reindeer Christmas inflatable. G'day friends and inflatable lovers, my name's Pete, I'm from airfigs.com.au and I sell holiday inflatables. If you haven't watched one of my previews, I introduce the inflatable. I'll tell you how big the air blower is, how big the power supply is, the plug type, how wide it is, how tall it is, and how long it takes to inflate. So you'll know a lot more about it before you buy. If this type of content will interest you, then please keep watching to find out more. Today I'm previewing a camping Santa and reindeer sitting on a log roasting marshmallows, enjoying their Christmas. As we look inside the box, I can see we have our standard pegs and tethers and our instructions. We have 5 pegs and 2 ropes. This figure also comes with a polyester bag which you can store your inflatable in when it's not being used outdoors. This inflatable is easy to set up, just plug it in and watch it inflate. It's durable, made with weather resistant materials to withstand even the harshest summer conditions. It's visually stunning, detailed and lifelike characters that will capture everyone's attention. Perfect for families, create unforgettable holiday memories with your loved ones. When you open up your inflatables, one of the first things you should do is check that the zipper has been zipped up, because an open zipper will slow down your inflation time dramatically. Okay, a little bit more about the inflatable. This inflatable comes with a standard AU plug, which means it'll plug straight into a standard Australian outlet. The size of the power supply is 1.0 amps. This is important because the power supply determines how fast the fan is going to spin. The power supply also determines how much your inflatable is going to cost to run, whether it'll cost you mere cents or dollars to run all day and night. In general, in Australia, a Christmas inflatable like this will cost you from 50 cents to maximum $1 to run all day and night. The size of the air blower inside is 0.8 amps. And remember, in general, the size of the fan blower determines how long or how quickly the unit will take to self-inflate. Now let's start the clock and see how long it takes to inflate. So, based on our 1 amp power supply and our 0.5 amp fan blower, we have a 55-second inflate time. Now once again, remember, once the unit is fully inflated, this is when you should hammer in your pegs and attach the supplied tethers to the unit. This will secure the unit against mild winds and will help ensure that the unit stays in position for the season. Now once again, a word of warning, never put your inflatables away while they're wet, as this is likely to create mould and this could permanently damage the material. When completely dry, fold the unit up to a suitable size to fit it back inside the box or its carry bag, and be sure to do the zipper back up in preparation for next year's season. Size wise, we've got a 1.1 metre height, and length is 2.1 metres, which according to the box of 7 foot is correct. You can leave the unit outside during mild weather. It can withstand a little rain without issue, but I'd suggest you never leave it out during heavy storms or severe weather events. This magical Christmas scene brings the joy of Christmas indoors or outdoors. It creates a stunning centrepiece for your garden. Watch as your neighbours and guests do a double take at the sight of Santa and his reindeer, enjoying the Aussie classic camping experience. And there we have another one. Please remember, for a limited time only, as we don't carry much stock, this inflatable and many more are available at our website. Thank you again for watching. If you've got anything out of this preview, please tap the like button. And if you want to watch more previews, as I hone my skills and upload new previews, then please click on subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope to see you next time.